You've done everything they told you to do. You read the books, you built the vision board, you even started waking up before sunrise, hoping this would unlock your best self. But let's be honest, you still feel stuck. And if that hits a little too close to home, good, because this might be the video that changes everything. Everybody wants the secret formula, the foolproof blueprint, as if Elon Musk is going to text you a PDF called How to Succeed in 30 Days. But here's the truth, there is no perfect plan. There's only your plan, and whether you stick with it when it gets boring, messy, and painfully slow. Most people don't fail because they chose the wrong path. They fail because the second it stops feeling exciting, they quit. Winners don't win because they had the perfect strategy. They win because they stuck with one thing long enough for it to grow roots. Let's talk about the most uncomfortable part of growth, the I have no clue what I'm doing zone. You start a business, or a YouTube channel, or even just a gym routine. 2 weeks in and your brain screams, "This is dumb. I suck at this. Maybe I'm not cut out for it." That voice isn't truth. That's your ego panicking because for the first time in a long time, you're not instantly good. Anything worth doing will make you feel like a total idiot at the start. That's the doorway. Most people sprint the other way. But growth isn't supposed to feel cool. It's supposed to feel like walking blindfolded while everyone else has a flashlight. If you can survive that awkward stage, you'll outlast 99% of people who tap out before things get interesting. Kobe Bryant was already an NBA legend, but he still hit the gym at 4 a.m. Do you think it looked glamorous shooting bricks alone in the dark? No, but he was willing to look foolish in private so he could dominate in public. That's the price of greatness, looking bad long enough to get good. Let me kill a myth. Success doesn't go to the smartest person in the room. It goes to the one who keeps showing up when the excitement is gone. Too many people get stuck in what I call perfect plan paralysis. You take endless notes, you binge YouTube tutorials, you fill Google Docs with ideas you never launch. Meanwhile, some guy with half your IQ and zero anxiety is out there crushing it. Why? Because he just did the damn thing, imperfectly but consistently. A C+ plan with A+ consistency will always beat an A+ plan you keep changing every 2 weeks. You don't have a discipline problem, you have a decision problem. Choose mastery over novelty and watch yourself become unstoppable. When Tesla was on the verge of collapse, Elon Musk slept on the factory floor, not because it was cool, but because quitting wasn't an option. He didn't need a perfect strategy. He needed to show up exhausted until the work was done. That's execution. That's progress. Quick check. If this fires you up, drop 100 emoji in the comments so I know you're one of the few willing to start ugly. Everyone wants a hack, the secret shortcut. Here it is. Do one thing for 100 days straight. Not perfectly, not optimized, just show up. Most people quit by day 7. Make it to day 30, you're already top 10%. Day 70, you're rare. Day 100, you're unstoppable. You wanted day 1 to feel like day 100, but it doesn't work that way. You've got to earn it, brick by brick, rep by rep, upload by upload. Still worried you're not talented enough? Forget talent. Talent opens the door, obsession blows the door off the hinges and rebuilds the room. The fastest progress comes when what you're working on isn't just something you do, it's who you are. When I started making videos, my first uploads were rough, awkward audio, clumsy edits, almost 0 views. But I stayed obsessed. I told myself, if I can do this for 100 days, the results will take care of themselves. Fast forward, and here we are. Millions of people reached one small win at a time. That's why this channel is called Small Wins Daily, because greatness isn't a giant leap. It's the stacking of small wins day after day. So let's wrap it up. Stop chasing the perfect plan. Survive the awkward beginner stage. Choose execution over endless strategy. Commit to the 100-day rule. Let obsession, not talent, drive you. The world might think sudden success is overnight, but the truth? It's built in silence over 100 ordinary days of showing up. If this message hit home, do yourself a favor. Tap like, subscribe to Small Wins Daily, and share this with someone who needs a push. Because greatness isn't found in giant leaps, it's built one small win at a time. Let's grow together.